The turboblower is composed of several synchronized components. Air enters through the inlet nozzle, passes through the spiral housing and impeller where it is compressed. The thrust bearing supports the shaft and balances high-speed rotation, while the permanent magnet motor stator transfers energy directly to the shaft. At the rear, the cooling fan and ring diffuser help distribute airflow evenly and efficiently. The airfoil bearing system allows the shaft to rotate without friction. During operation, an air cushion of about 30 to 40 bar pressure forms, completely lifting the shaft, silent, vibration-free, and lubrication-free. At high speeds, this air film automatically adjusts to load changes, absorbing vibrations and ensuring stable, durable operation. Its non-contact structure minimizes wear, making maintenance nearly unnecessary. The air cooling system utilizes the existing airflow for heat dissipation, no extra energy required, saving both power and cost. This is a more efficient and sustainable solution compared to traditional water cooling methods.